In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer GCash to a bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what details to enter, and how to make sure your money goes to the right place the first time. Start by opening your GCash app and accessing your account. Give the app a moment to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough balance for the amount you want to send, plus any applicable fees. Once you're on the GCash home screen, look for the transfer option. This is the section dedicated to sending money out of GCash to other financial institutions. Tap Transfer, then choose Local Bank. This takes you to a list of supported banks. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the bank you're sending to. For example, if you're sending to BDO, tap BDO. The same process applies to other listed banks. Only the bank name changes. You'll now see a form where you can enter the amount and your bank details. Type the amount you want to transfer and double-check that the number is correct, especially the decimal places. Next, fill in the bank details. These usually include the account number and the account name exactly as it appears with the bank. Accuracy is crucial here. An extra digit in the account number or a misspelled name can delay or block the transfer. If there's a field for notes or purpose, you can add a brief reference to help the recipient identify the payment, but keep it simple and avoid sensitive information. Before you proceed, take a moment to review everything on the screen. Make sure the bank you selected is correct, the amount is right, and the account details are accurate. When you're confident everything looks good, tap Send Money. GCash will process the transaction and display a confirmation. Transfers to banks are often quick, though exact posting times can vary depending on the bank's processing. You may also receive a text or in-app notification indicating the transfer status. That's all there is to it. Open your GCash account, tap Transfer, choose Local Bank, locate the bank you're sending to, enter the amount and bank details, and tap Send Money. Keep your app updated and ensure your account is verified for the smoothest experience. If anything seems off, it's always best to double-check details before sending. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you transfer funds confidently using GCash.